Both captain Tamil Nadu between Telangana. So Tamil Nadu won the toss and choice court. Match is starting between Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So very tight match. You are watching here 68th National School Games under 19 at Bihani, Haryana. So welcome all of you. I am Mr. Gajanan Dobra. Thank you so much for connecting us. So now on first time red Tamil Nadu. So it's the second team of Tamil Nadu side CBSE number 10. Need to first point try to angle hold should be here. What effort of Telangana. So open his account with the good defense. So after lose the toss, good start. Telangana previous match of Punjab, excellent, big victory. So confidence definitely high. Pursuit want to Tamil Nadu, but doesn't make contact. I think. Yes, it is. So touch point here, first point in the Telangana's pocket. Sorry, Tamil Nadu pocket. Tamil Nadu score 1 and Telangana 2. Touch point. So now started 2-1 स्कोर 2-1 का स्कोर है इस समय, जहां तेलंगाना 2 पे वहीं तमिलनाडु 1 पे. तीसरा दिन आज बोनस हियर. So score now level each 2-2. Both sides score same. So Tamil Nadu CBSE also very good team as same as Tamil Nadu. Return come. Young star signing in the evening session, last match of the today. Good defense has Telangana, number of 7 defender in great touch. So try to bonus here. Yes, Jean. Yes, it is a success. So now 3 Tamil Nadu and 2 Telangana. So first time on the lead Tamil. CBSE a little bit pressure on Telangana. Body language not so good, loose, and Tamil Nadu will want to take advantage here. Safe return here. Golden star Telangana. Angle hold and should be a big red here. Double touch. Yes, it is. So Tamil Nadu comes in on 5.
Red.
He moves on 5 and Telangana on 2. 3 point big lead and pressure of Dudai. Telangana. What a hairstyle of Telangana star over angle hold. Back to back, 1 more point. So in great touch Tamil 6 score and Telangana 2. So 4 point has lead in Tamil hand. Try to long distance, so might reach here. I think all is well. 3rd point in Telangana after long time. So score now 6 Tamil Nadu and 3 Telangana. Not much different, but starting time good performance continue for both sides. Welcome all of you. आप सबका स्वागत अभिनंदन. और यह मौका है डैश करने का, बाहर धक्का दिया, तालियों से स्वागत किया यहाँ कोचेज ने. So now Telangana score 4 and Tamil Nadu on 6. 2 point different here. Oh, what a defense, corner to corner, well cover. So 1 more point, number of 7 in Tamil Nadu pocket. Good confidence looking here. Body language is very strong. CBSE Tamil Nadu. Successful rudder for Tamil side, number 10. Yes, it is going to lobby way. And 1 more, number 8 point. 4-8 double score. So now slowly big different going between these two. What a catch in the center. Excellent, amazing, taken by Tamil Nadu defender. What a performance What a confidence, good captaincy, Tamil Nadu. Good cover and center cover, corner to corner, and excellent riding performance. Super tackle is on. Big pressure on Telangana. Oh, try to effort, but easy way. Tamil Nadu. One more. Tamil goes to in double figure 10, but Telangana stealing on 4. So 6 point, a big difference. Changing here, yaha CBSE, Tamil Nadu, number 4, rather Yajin, and easily one more. So Tamil Nadu on easy way. But Telangana is all out here. First time against CBSE Tamil Nadu. A big success of Tamil. So now score 14 Tamil Nadu and 4 Telangana. Bonus here also. So 15-4. 11 point. Big margin. Oh, big red here. Double touch after long time. 2 point coming in. Telangana moves now on 6. 6 तेलंगाना वहीं 15 है तमिलनाडु, लेकिन देखिए बड़ी रेड का मुजाहरा यहाँ बोनस के साथ 2 पॉइंट 17 पे पहुँच गया है. 17 तमिलनाडु एंड 6 तेलंगाना. 11 पॉइंट इन lot of different here. Difference definitely. So Tamil Nadu confidence on cloud line. Try to bonus here. 18. Oh, what a wall of the Tamil Nadu. Strong block here. Excellent cover. 19 point in the Tamil Nadu's score sheet, but stealing Telangana on 6. 13 point. Big margin. Tamil Nadu CBSE try to reaching here, but finally Telangana well done in the defense after long time. Telangana on 7. 7 पे है. बड़ी देर से 1 पॉइंट हासिल किया, मगर तमिलनाडु पूरी लय में नजर आता हुआ अच्छी टच में है. 19 पे पहुंच गया है. 19-17 का स्कोर देखेगा. 12 पॉइंट की बढ़त काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण, और इस बढ़त को देखते हुए कहा जा सकता है कि बोनस यहाँ पे हासिल किया है. 70 तमिलनाडु comes in 20 and Telangana on 7. Oh, what effort. Try to well double touch point. 72-7. So Tamil score now. Tamil Nadu 22 and Telangana 7. 15 point. Big lead has Tamil Nadu, or one more excellent defense. You can watching. Well done. 23-7. So CBSE Tamil Nadu also doing very well performance.
First time out, first half.
Telangana continue under pressure. Previous match excellent played. Telangana's big victory did got, but here no TGIGG 1, 2, 3 or ABC. Big pressure. 1 more point also, and that marks it is half time. Change the course. सात और 25 ये 12 now critical situation of Telangana. Last player. Half time score now 25-7. So big different 18 point and all out second time Telangana against Tamil Nadu CBSE. So Tamil Nadu moves on 28 and continue Telangana stealing on 7. So excellent performance so far in this match at CBSE Tamil Nadu. Safe comeback. Under pressure, Telangana continue against Tamil. What a try of a bonus. Maybe here. No damage done. Score is still now 78 and 7. So body language is so much loose and you can read big pressure on the Telangana. Oh, what a pursuit. Excellent 1 point 79 Tamil Nadu. So safe comeback 29 Tamil Nadu and 7 Telangana. So big difference between these two. Once again try to bonus, may or may not bonus here. I think we will have to wait and see. No damage done. Score still same 29 and 7. Big pressure Telangana continue. Oh, easily on the way Telangana आसानी से पहुंच गया 8वां पॉइंट और ये सेकंड हाफ में फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सो तेलंगाना gets the first point in the second half. 8 he moves now and Tamil Nadu losing 1 more point here. Back to back second point of Telangana. Both side 1 point bonus goes to for Tamil Nadu. So now 30 score now. Tamil Nadu 30 and Telangana on a 9. 9-30, 21 point. Big different. Under pressure in the red dress, but yellow or blue dress CBSE Tamil Nadu. So color is not so lucky for Telangana in this match, but Tamil defend on her hard work. Oh, tried to double touch. Yes, it is. So big red once again. A superb redder of Tamil. Big pressure. 32-9. 23 big margin. You can feel now. So much happy here. Tamil Nadu CBSE. Under pressure. Yazin, number 4, second success rider. Oh, this time taken in the right corner. So Telangana goes to in double figure finally. Telangana on 10 and Tamil Nadu on 32. Oh, what effort! Excellent defense here. Try to continue reaching the center line, but rudder is out. Match going to continue. Finishing the time, and definitely Tamil Nadu will want to big victory in this match. Oh, one more try and only single point here. Yes, it is. Last 5 minutes to go. Number 10 Telangana, big pressure. Oh, angle hold. What a journey of Telangana on this red. Superb performance, superb work in the defense. Tamil. So super tackle on. Oh, one more mistake by Telangana. Under pressure. It should be. It's a rule of pressure. So, superb, amazing angle hold. Now right corner. Last 4 minutes to go and last player. So once again Telangana all out against Tamil Nadu. Score now Tamil Nadu CBSE 37 and Telangana 11. Sorry, score now Tamil Nadu 40 and Telangana 10. 30 point big lead has CBSE Tamil Nadu. So we'll so much happy after won the match.
Candidates worship their mat.
Center cover, corner to corner in the C safe. Excellent work continue here. Tamil Nadu. Second name of the kabaddi. Royal performance. It's amazing. Good sign. Green signature of Tamil Nadu. One more point here. 41 now. Comes in. So big under pressure Telangana. Stealing continue on 10. So not so good sign for Telangana. And required of one touch point calling, but no damage done or pursuit here. Should be touch point. Yes, it is. Defender out. Telangana 11 and Tamil Nadu 41. Oh, one more point. Finally. Last 2 minutes to go. Telangana 12 and Tamil Nadu on 41. Score Tamil Nadu 41 and Telangana 12. Bonus. So 12, 42. 30 point. Big difference. Last match of the day. Tomorrow we will come back and what a scene of Telangana last moment. 13 point taken here in this match. 13-42. तमिलनाडु जीत की तरफ बढ़ता हुआ जैसा आप देख रहे हैं. बहुत बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन. डबल थाई होल्ड and should be reached. Yes, it is a single touch point here. As far as the score is concerned, Telangana 13 and Tamil Nadu 43. Oh, what a block, what a cover. Excellent, superb work here. 44 on Tamil Nadu, but Telangana on 13. So now 31 point, 1 point big lead in CBSE Tamil Nadu pocket. 45 now. Match on the last moment. 1 minute to go. Definitely never come back in this match, Telangana. So Tamil Nadu definitely will win the match in this match. Some seconds to go. Oh, one more point here. Tamil Nadu, yes it is 46 and that's match is over. 46 score now. CBSE Tamil Nadu 46 and Telangana 13. So finally 33 point big margin. Tamil Nadu CBSE beat of Telangana. Welcome, well played. Both team, congratulations for the next match. Tamil Nadu.